Here is gold. The monthly candle has just opened. Currently is kind of in limbo. We can't really make much of it. It's made a bottom wick. It's made a top wick. It's the first day of the month. We don't know what's going to happen. Down to the weekly, we've broken previous weekly highs, so I would definitely be bullish so far. Looks like we could close above this resistance to continue up towards all-time highs. Let's go down to the daily. The daily looks like we're approaching this high here. Down to the 4 hour. Here we got a 4 hour making support. As you can see, on the 4 hour we've been making higher highs, trying to come back up to this high here. Down to the 1 hour. So the level is a little more clear on the 1 hour. Down to the 30 minute. So we got a resistance right here on the 30 minute. We can wait for this 30 minute to close. Hopefully it wicks down a bit. So if it closes something like this, so above, but not, all the way up here towards the next resistance, it could give us range to take buys, expecting a wick fill and then another push up to these highs. If it comes and wicks down, we'll have a buy stop on a flip. Buy stops are in.
Ooh, no top wick too, so this is perfect.
I'm actually going to take another small position here, just because we're expecting it to flip. I'm actually going to close that first position once it flips. Yep, I just closed a partial position that was down here. It was just a small position. I got 10 pips out of there. I'm in now. Once it gets to here, I'll put stops break even.
Ooh,
Okay, closing.
wait, yes sir, I'm closing. Look it, I'm done. Let's go.
Let's go. 2 winning trades. Well, same trade, but 2 positions. Stops. So I just wanted to hop back on the charts real quick and break down one thing I should have done during this trade. So we waited for this candle to close. We got it. This candle wicked down without a top wick. So I entered a trade, getting a wick entry, anticipating the candle to flip, while I still had buy stops on the flip as well. So as the candle started flipping, I took profits on that position. I probably should have just put stops to break even on there and let that one run. And then on the buy stop position, I could have just closed that full at 10 pips like I did, and then we would have been able to have a nice little runner there. Either way, still closed trades in profit, but looking back, I think that's definitely one thing I should have done, because I think I closed it like just before it flipped, and I don't know why I didn't wait until it at least flipped, because that's where we had buy stops anyway, and we were anticipating our trade to be active, so that's just one thing I would have changed. But other than that, it was a solid, clean trade, and we'll be back tomorrow, try to do the same thing.